Семецеянон попртхання про у надзвичайну ситуацію. Відбіювиться на видом явш. Се явш спричинило диз'якайте з'ячзоти визії останню диз'ят хвалам. Вічини вістановали, шкуми з'якн світило викликає юл'яді розвилк вибивки ерисаї. Ця паде відбіювиться п'ятеришта тритараї країни. Росая, Беларус, Молдова, Рам'юнея, Боларая, Урицая, Макіане та Албанія повідомили про утеюк зіюч явш. Захална кількість зативи повисає Європи невідома. З одної інформації з Африкайчої Азії енди надходило. Діл'я вашої безпекай, залишайтесь відома, ені вкхат ені вулицю, закриють вихсай штари та зал'язи, юзоманицею винатраєшниким на безвіком. Ені дайвиться ені музяцьхи бео будь-які відображення музяція та ені пам'ятч. Охалошену надзвичайний стан. ЗТС у момент вивдену воєнний стан. Бунтай та урайс призвдат до нахайної стрейти. Шкаби утримати до удакову інформацію, тримай телевізою вимкненим.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York State government. Shelter-in-place warning. Scientists with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have discovered that the moon is giving off extreme amounts of light. This light has blinded people. As a result, hundreds of car pileups have occurred across the state. Hospitals are filling up with people blinded by the moonlight. There have also been reports of violent attacks taking place. The cause of the attacks are unknown at this time. All citizens are urged to shelter in place. To shelter in place, take the following actions: close and lock all doors, shut curtains and blinds, do not go outside, do not look at the moon and retreat to a room without windows. Have enough food, water and medical supplies to last at least 24 hours. Keep your television or radio turned on for updates on this current emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WDJB. We have suspended normal programming to participate in the emergency alert system. Do not use the telephone lines. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. A deadly phenomenon is occurring worldwide. Light from the moon is blinding people and driving them into a state of homicidal aggression. Looking at the moon is a health and safety hazard. The number of casualties are believed to be in the hundreds of thousands. Thousands of car pileups have taken place. Hospitals are filled to capacity due to extensive injuries. Police and medical services are offline. Due to this development, a national emergency has been declared. All persons must stay indoors. Lock your doors, close your windows, cover windows with thick blankets, retreat to an interior room without windows.